Many cat owners believe that hairballs are a daily occurrence, but here's the surprising truth. Not all cats cough up hairballs regularly. In fact, only about 30% of cats experience hairballs, and most of the time, they either digest their hair or expel it naturally through the stool. Plus, certain breeds, like Siamese and Persian cats, are more prone to hairballs than others. A fascinating fact is that daily grooming can significantly reduce their occurrence, showcasing the bond between cats and their owners. Think of it as a beauty routine with health benefits. So the next time your cat lets out a cough, don't panic. It might not be a hairball at all.